design your Instagram highlight covers. So you open your Canva. When you open your Canva, you tap on the plus icon down here. So we're going to search for Instagram. Search Instagram. Okay. You scroll down. You choose the Instagram story highlight cover. That's what we're going to be working with now. The Instagram story highlight cover. That's what you're going to choose. Okay. Then you tap on the plus icon again to choose your template. Okay, you tap on the plus icon again to choose your template. So as you can see, we have many templates here you can edit. That's one beautiful thing with Canva. With Canva is very good for small business owners because you don't need to design from scratch all the time. You can pick a template and edit, okay, to suit your brand and your objective. So for this tutorial, let's just work with this because this suits the US/the UK shoes brand we are using as our example here. So let's work with this. You click on apply all 6 pages. Okay, depending on the number of highlights you want, from 4 5 having 4 to 5 highlight covers is very okay. Okay, you don't need to have up to 10 or 9 and all of that. So 4 5 6 is still cool. Okay, so here you can tap on this. You can change the color. Okay, you can change the color to what we want. You can equally change the background. Okay, so let's remove this background and put what we want. When you tap, remember you tap on the delete. Okay, now let's add our own color. Let's work with this color. Okay, here we have our cycle, but in case you want to design from scratch and there's no cycle here, what you're going to do is you just tap on the plus icon. You under element, you type circle. You're going to choose circle, then you import it into your design. But for this tutorial, let's work with this circle here. So to change the circle color, you can come here to and change. As you can see, changed. But let's work with white because of the background color. So you check the background color and choose a color that will make the circle visible. Then here you can choose to delete this. Okay, now let me show you how to import icons to your highlight covers. You just tap on the plus sign here. You go to element. Let's say we are designing for our shoe brand. So here we are going to search for shoes. Okay, women's shoes. Okay, so for this, let's go under graphics and no more pictures because we are designing highlight cover. So let's choose images from graphics. So let's say we like this shoe here. You can tap on see all, then you see everything and choose the one you want. Let's just work with this. Okay, let's reduce the size so you can fit into the circle. So make sure anything you are doing here is inside this circle because when you upload your highlight cover, it's actually the design inside this circle that will be showing. Okay, this background won't show. I said the person tap to view. That's when the person will see this background. But if the person should just visit your profile, maybe just scan through, it's everything that's inside this circle the person will see. So make sure the text, images, whatever you're adding is inside this circle. Don't add anything outside the circle. Okay, so we're going to bring this text down. we bring this text down. Then this is our shoe. Let's leave it like that. So you can choose the icon based on what you offer. Okay, so this is new arrival. If you want to change this new arrival, you tap, you edit and write what you want, but we are going to still leave it as the new arrival. Okay, because it's suitable for what we are doing here. You can choose to delete these lines. You tap, you are going to see the delete icon on top. You delete. So let's work with this new arrivals. Okay, mm, so just draft. Okay, so if you want to change the font, you just tap on the text. You're going to see, if you look down, you're going to see edit fonts, text style, text color. If you want to change the text color, you see it here, you change the text color and everything. If you want to make the text bold, you tap on this B format, you make the text bold and all of that. So this is highlight number one. So when you swipe, you're going to see another one. Okay, so you do the same for this, but if instead of doing all these things afresh, see what you're going to do. Okay, just tap on this, just look down, you're going to see the the four tiny square. There are four inside a circle. Okay, so it's after the plus icon. Beside the plus icon, you are going to see it. Okay, so what you're going to do is you tap on that circle. The small circle has four square boxes inside. Okay, so you tap there, you see all the designs there. So what you're going to do is you can choose to delete all of this. Okay, you can choose to delete all of this and duplicate what you already have here. When you tap, if you look down, you're going to see add page, delete, duplicate. So if you want to delete, you tap on delete. If you want to duplicate, you duplicate. So let's duplicate this. So we'll have it, since we chose this for our brand color. So you see how I just picked this template and I changed the background to this. Okay, so we are going to duplicate. So after doing this, go back. So when you go back, so after doing this, we are going to go back to continue with our design. So what we are going to do is, like, after you finish duplicating, you go back to the design, then you can choose to edit the text or the images based on what you want your highlight covers to contain. Okay, so you can choose to edit the text, the images, just like we did for the first one, based on what you want your highlight covers to contain. Let's say for the shoe brand, they also sell clothes. So here we have clothes. You go to elements, you choose clothes as the element, you replace the shoe with clothes. Then this text, you can change it to maybe something like um clothes in store. Do you get? So under there, that's where you'll be uploading the clothes you have in store. Then another one, you can go to the elements, choose review. Then where you have new arrival, you edit it, you write review there. Okay, just like this now. Okay, we can edit this text. Can edit it to reviews. That's our customers reviews. We can delete this. Then we go to the elements. You click replace. So you click replace. Okay, no, let's do it like this. So this, instead of tapping on the image, just tap on the plus icon. Okay, Then you come here, search for reviews. So we're going to see reviews icon. So we're going to see reviews icon. Okay. So let's just choose. Okay. So we have many reviews icons here. Let's just work with this first one. Okay. So when you import the review icon, you delete the shoe icon. Okay. Then you reduce this. Remember, reduce from the side. Okay. Reduce this. Now we have another cover for our reviews. So that's how you do it for all the highlight covers you want for your Instagram page. So after this, you look up, you see the download icon there, you download the images you have. You download the highlight covers you have designed, and you go to your Instagram, upload to story. When you upload to story, you are going to see option to add as highlights. Then you use that as your highlight covers. I hope this helps.